Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the EpicVFX pack in Adobe After Effects. Here we are in a basic composition, and the first category we'll be using is the transition category. You can preview the transitions by clicking the autoplay button on the bottom of the extension window, then just find a transition you like and click the apply button. After a short load, the transition will appear on the timeline, and all you need to do is line up the cut marker on the transition with the cut between your two pieces of footage. And now when you press play, the transition is automatically applied to the footage. Next, we'll look at the lights category. Just browse to find the lights that you want to use, click apply, and the lights will be applied onto the timeline. Make sure that the layer is above your footage on the layer list, and it will automatically overlay on top of it. The volumetric category inside of lights is a little bit different. Apply a volumetric light to your timeline, and once it's applied, click the drop-down menu for Mode and set its mode to Screen for it to overlay onto the footage. Next, we'll look at the sparks category, and you'll do the exact same thing. Apply it to your timeline, place it above your footage, set the mode to Screen, and now you can resize, rotate, and reposition the spark effect wherever you want on your footage. The next category we'll look at is colors. For this category, before applying the effect, you need to highlight the footage you want the effect to be applied to, then click apply. The footage will now have the color effect applied to it, and you can navigate to the effect controls window to find all of the parameters for the color effect that you can customize if you want to. The VFX category is mostly like the others, just apply an effect and it will apply to the footage beneath it. One exception though is the cartoon category. For cartoon, apply it to the timeline, then you need to double click on the cartoon layer to open it, then drag and drop your footage above the layer that is marked with instructions to do so, and the effect will be applied. That's a basic rundown of everything you should need to know to get started using the EpicVFX pack in After Effects.